In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage orders in WooCommerce. By the end, you'll feel confident finding an order, opening it, and making the updates you need so your store runs smoothly. First, open your WordPress website and head to your dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click WooCommerce. This is the main hub for your store's settings, products, and sales activity. Within that menu, click Orders. The Orders screen is your command center. You'll see a list of recent purchases with columns for order number, date, status, customer, total, and the payment method. Think of this page as your inbox for sales, where you can quickly spot what needs attention. This is where you update your orders. If you have many, use the search bar to find an order by number or customer, or glance at the status badges to identify those awaiting payment, processing, or completed. When you find the order you want to work on, select it to open the detailed view. Click Edit to enter the order editor. Here, you can manage almost every aspect of that order. At the top, you'll see the order status. Use this to move an order from processing to completed once everything is shipped, or place it on hold if you're waiting on something. Below, review the billing and shipping details. If a customer reached out with an address correction, you can update it here so your labels and confirmations stay accurate. In the Items section, you can adjust products, quantities, and pricing if necessary. You can add shipping costs, fees, or coupons when appropriate, and make sure the order totals reflect any changes. If you need to communicate, use the Order Notes panel. Add a private note for your team, or choose a customer note to send an update that's recorded on the order timeline. When you're finished, look for the Update button on the right and click it to save your changes. If you're handling a return or partial return, you can process a refund from the same screen, following your store's policies and payment gateway rules. A few quick tips. Keep your statuses accurate so reports and emails stay in sync. Double-check totals after edits and use notes to document why changes were made. If you manage many orders, reviewing the orders page a few times a day helps you stay ahead of customer expectations. That's it. Open your WordPress site. Click WooCommerce, click Orders, select the order you need, click Edit, and manage everything from one place. Thanks for watching and happy selling.